step-by-step tutorial to prevent background app installations in Windows. Disabling automatic updates from the Microsoft Store is a good start, but Microsoft may still install apps in the background without your consent. To prevent this, follow these steps to modify the Windows registry. Shot 1. Open the registry editor. Type regedit into the Windows search box. Select Run as Administrator under the Registry Editor result. Click Yes to allow the Registry Editor to make changes to your device. 2. Navigate to the necessary registry key. Follow this path. HKey Current User Software Microsoft Windows CurrentVersion ContentDeliveryManager. 3. Modify the silent installation setting. Locate the SilentInstalledAppsEnabled value in the right pane. If it does not exist, right-click on ContentDeliveryManager. Select New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it SilentInstalledAppsEnabled. Double-click on SilentInstalledAppsEnabled. Change its value data to 0. Click OK to save the changes. By following these steps, you will prevent any unwanted apps from being installed in the background on your Windows device.